Good morning, Ramiz.
Good morning, Eliza. You're early today.
Yes, I woke up early because the weather is very nice.
True, the air feels fresh and calm.
I love morning walks. They make me feel peaceful.
Same here. Morning walks give positive energy.
How long have you been walking daily?
Almost 6 months now.
That's great. Habits take time to build.
Yes, but once formed, they feel natural.
Earlier, I used to feel lazy in the morning.
Me too, but now I feel active.
How was your sleep last night?
Not very good. I used my phone too much.
Phones really disturb our sleep.
Yes, I should reduce screen time.
You can try reading a book before sleeping.
That's a good idea.
I usually read motivational books.
They help improve thinking and confidence.
They also improve English vocabulary.
Yes, speaking daily helps a lot.
That's why I enjoy walking and talking.
It's the best way to practice English.
Look at the children playing there.
They look happy and carefree.
Children enjoy small moments.
Adults forget to enjoy life.
Walking helps reduce stress.
Yes, I feel relaxed after walking.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Sometimes, but I prefer bird sounds.
Nature sounds are very calming.
I agree completely.
Look at the sunrise. It's beautiful.
Nature is truly amazing.
What are your plans today?
I have office work and meetings.
Don't forget to take breaks.
Sure, health is important.
Health is real wealth.
Absolutely true.
Our walk is almost complete.
Time passes quickly while talking.
Let's continue this routine daily.
Definitely. Same time tomorrow?
Yes, same place and same time.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Take care.